Research and data collection protocols. When researching and collecting data from a web, avoid plagiarism, which is the act of taking someone else's work and presenting it as your own. Plagiarism is unethical. It can bring you trouble. 10 types of plagiarism that teachers, researchers, and students should know. Clone plagiarism. It is also called identical copying or copying another work. Remix plagiarism. It refers to collecting information from various resources and mixing all together as a single document. Control plus C. Plagiarism. This is when a significant portion of text copied from any single source without any alternation in a written document. Hybrid plagiarism. Here is perfectly cited source document are copied and arranged as new document without citation. Find replace plagiarism. This is changing the most common keywords and phrases in the copied content but not making any changes in the essentials document. Recycle plagiarism, called self-plagiarism. It refers to the act of borrowing from one's previous document without proper citation. Mashup plagiarism. It is when the written document is copied from more than one sources and all mixed together without proper citation. 404 Error plagiarism. Here, a person creates a document by copying from various sources prepared as a single document with a citation but inaccurate or lead to non-existing resources. Aggregator plagiarism. Here in the written document includes proper citation but it does not contain original work. Retweet plagiarism. Here all written documents look perfect with proper cited mark but still the document resembles somewhere the original text structure or wordings. Tips to avoid plagiarism. Read and understand the original document several times before start explaining about it. Do not copy any word or sentence from original document. Give proper citation to all sources, book or journal, website, video, and etc. In case of citing online sources, include the retrieval date and appropriate URL in the reference. Common phrases and definition need to be quoted and cited without any modification. Make a practice to include the references section whenever you write an academic document. Cross-verify all your citations before submitting your document. Resort to available plagiarism software to ensure the originality of the written document. How to evaluate a website. Open the site when looking through Google search results. Open sites in a new tab. Leave search results in a tab for easy access later. Skim read. Determine whether you can read and understand the text. Look for the answer to your question. Find out if the information on the site actually answers your question. Consider the credibility of the author or website. You need to consider the credibility of the author or website by consider the following: domain, author's information, design avoid, and fourth, source, trustworthy articles. Consider the purpose of the site. Think about the purpose of the site, whether it meets your needs. Look for the date. Consider whether the information is current enough for your topics. Integrating digital cyber literacy into the curriculum. Use an interactive whiteboard to design and deliver lessons. Allow students to maintain blogs, wiki, web page related to their learning. Engage in email video chat exchange with students. Utilize storytelling media to allow students to create, publish stories, set up blog site, Facebook page, Yahoo Google group, and post weekly discussion question for students. Use video cameras to dramatize stories, record scientific experiments, and expose students to video editing software to create video production of learning. Engage students in discussion about how and why various media work well to showcase learning and why others do not. Thinking critically about the medium used to present a message is as important as the message itself. Required e-portfolio that would compile their outputs, projects, messages, and photo document of group activities and investigation online. Allow students to use digital tools such as mobile phones, iPad, netbooks for Google search, dictionary apps, YouTube, podcasts, and Spotify application in class and complement their learning, especially during group works and concept reporting. Impact of integrating digital literacy in the classroom on teacher, families, and friends. Integrating digital literacy in the classroom can bring a positive impact on student learning as evidenced by the following. It motivates student learning due to their enjoyment and ease of use with various technology mediums. It reaches students of various learning styles, multiple intelligences. It allows students to create, design their own unique products reflective of their personalities and learning needs or styles. It encourages students to manipulate media in constructing their own meaning. It enables students to share learning with teachers, families, and friends. It gives students the chance to explore technological media that inevitably increase the job skills needed in the workforce.